This Electrical Power Systems (EPS) course acclimates you with the norms and approaches of the electric utility industry and gives you the essential jargon utilized in the business. It presents the electric force framework, from the age of the power right to the divider plug. You will find out about crafted by EPS components of electrical power systems, utilizing of electrical energy, and investigation of burdens. You can separate and segregate electrical principles for different voltages, high voltages, medium voltages, and low voltages. Who this course is for: electrical engineers, professionals, understudies who study electrical engineering. What will I learn? What is electrical power systems? Segments of electrical power systems. Sorts of power plants. Electrical energy burden investigation.